Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language within the Remitly app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Remitly application on your device and then log into your account using your email address and your password if you haven't done so already. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your language, click on the Manage option at the bottom right corner. Now, from the Manage page, click on Settings, and within the Settings option, you will find the language at the very first. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked to choose your desired language. Scroll down and click on the language that you wish to change into, and then tap on the Confirm button. Once you tap on Confirm, the application will restart, and the language that you chose will be applied to the application right away. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your language within the Remitly app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language within Remitly. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.